What is up, everybody? Jay here again with Gerbit. So today we're going to be going over my truck and what I use for the delete kit, because I wanted to do as cheap as possible, but I wanted to do use like good tunes and stuff like that. So what did I use? I used the Anarchy tunes, and then for my tuner I used the MM3 tuner. MM3 and then like Easy Link are probably the two biggest right now. So I use Dale's Superstore, I believe. I think it is. That's what it's called. I'll put it in the description down below what website I got it from. But the kit altogether I think costs just around $1,300. So for that kit, all I did was I got the tuner and the tunes. And then I just did, it's called a race pipe or a delete pipe, and essentially what that does is once you take the emissions control stuff off the bottom of the truck, that pipe just goes where that stuff was. So it's the simplest way to do it, and with the tunes I got, you don't have to take out the EGR like right away. Pretty much it just keeps it shut off. Not saying you can't take it off, but once you, I don't know, if it was easy to take off, I would have taken it off right away, but it's just time consuming, and just in case for any reason I had to put it back on, this would save a lot of time doing it this route. So that's why I went with that. That's for my 2015, it's a 3500 with the Aisin, so obviously there is no trans tuning for the Aisin, and who knows when there will be, but I like how the shift points already are on the Aisin and they hold them well, so I didn't really see a need anyway for trans tuning, even if I could, on the Aisin. And then in my last truck I had a 2016, it was a 2500 Cummins with the 68 RFE, and with that one I just went with the Bully Dog tuner, and then for my tunes I used Gorilla Diesel Performance, so GDP. And they weren't bad, but I feel like I don't know, the tunes were not as clean as the Anarchy tunes. Clean as in like when you'd get on it, there would be a bunch of smoke. And I'm running it at the same tune level. I think it's like 60 horsepower more, or more anyway. So I love the Anarchy tune so far. I've had it done for about probably only a week now, but it's I don't know, it's a night and day difference from when you do have a deleted truck to compared to like a stock truck. Another nice thing with the MM3 tuner, you can literally do everything that you want to. You can set like your tire pressure monitor system. You can set how much pressure you can, or like for, what do you call it? Like for your sensors or whatever, you can adjust the threshold. So say you run your tires at like 50 psi, it won't flash up on your cluster there that you have a low tire pressure. You can change it with the tuner so that you can change the threshold of when that'll go off. I think that's really cool. I mean, I run mine at the regular, it's like 65 in the front, and then I run 75 in the rears, just because I want to maximize my tire life too. But it literally tells everything. You can get like EGT probes when you order the kit. So yeah, I'll just show you the tuner just so you guys can see it and what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so taking a look here at the tuner, this is the MM3 like I said in the intro. This is the current screen setup that I run. This just shows my RPMs. This shows how much percentage of the power I'm using, or throttle. I guess that's TP, maybe throttle power or something like that. But it shows you the percentage that you're using. I got my speed there, my incoming air temperature, and then my fan duty cycle. So that's just the ones that I run. You have 4 different, I'll show you here. So you have 4 different dashboards you can choose. I run it on D, which is the one that is just up, and if you click on A, see it's just a little different looking, but I think D is probably the easiest to read, like the quickest while you're driving, so I like dashboard D. Then if you go down to switch, These are the different tune numbers. So I believe I think 5 is the 175. Yeah, it's like 175 horsepower tune, and 0 is actually, I don't know what 0 is. But I know tow is like an extra, I think 40 or 60, I believe, somewhere in there. So I just keep it on that because I'm not looking to put out super big numbers, because I deleted just to get the reliability. So yeah, this tuner was super quick to use. Like I said, I used the GDP tuning before with the Bully Dog tuner and unlock. For this year truck, you do need the unlock cable as well. But this right here, you can shift it on the fly, which is really cool. It takes like, I don't know, 15 seconds to load a new power level tune in. I mean, I could do that on my other one, but it would take probably like 2 minutes. So is it that big of a deal? Probably not. But I don't know, I like it so far. The screen's a lot bigger too, which is nice. So yeah, no complaints so far. I'll be sure to keep you updated though if anything does come up, or if you guys have any questions as well, just be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you pretty quick. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully it helped you out, maybe choosing a tuner or anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.